Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a blue screen video on like a normal video on CapCut PC. Select your video and add in your blue screen. Go to cutout and select chroma key, select the color picker and select the blue background. Adjust the strength, and if you want to add in like a couple of shadows, that's totally fine. Just adjust it to your liking. Then you can also go further and go to adjustments and kind of select the adjustments to match the background, but it doesn't have to be super precise. I'm just going to adjust the contrast a little bit here and the highlights maybe, and the shadow as well. You can adjust the illumination, even the colors here maybe needs a little bit of work, the temperature, the hue, and also the saturation. And yeah, that is basically it. You can fade it a little bit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!